Hey friends, if you encounter the error, a fatal error occurred while creating a TLS client credential 10013, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, the reason that this happens is because the TLS client 1.0 and 1.1 are disabled. Either one of them may be needed, but still, we will enable both of them. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. Wait, inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to advanced and then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and you file TLS. But usually TLS 1 and 1.1 will be unchecked. So simply check both of them. Click on apply and on OK and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.